Have you ever noticed that some people seem to have their life together? They are focused, disciplined, calm, productive, while others feel tired, stressed, and lost every day. The difference is not talent. It's not luck. It's what they do in the morning. Your morning routine can literally change your mindset, your energy, your confidence, and even your future. In this video, I'll show you 5 morning habits that can change everything if you start doing them every day. Habit 1, wake up with intention. Most people wake up and immediately check their phone. Messages, social media, notifications, and without realizing it, they let the world control their mood. Successful people do the opposite. They wake up and take a moment to breathe, to think, to decide how the day will go. When you wake up with intention, you stop reacting to life and you start controlling it. Even 30 seconds of silence in the morning can change your whole mindset. Habit 2, drink water first. When you wake up, your body is dehydrated. Your brain is slower. Your muscles feel weak. Your energy is low. One simple habit that many high-performance people do is drinking water immediately after waking up. It wakes up your metabolism. It helps your brain work better. It makes you feel more alive. Before coffee, before your phone, drink water first. Small habit, big difference. Habit 3, move your body. You don't need a full workout, just move. Stretch, walk, do push-ups, go outside. Movement in the morning tells your brain, I am active, I am ready, I am in control. People who move in the morning have better focus, better mood, and more discipline during the day. Your body wakes up, your brain wakes up, your life wakes up. Habit 4, plan your day. If you don't plan your day will plan you. Most people live in reaction mode. They do whatever comes. They follow whatever happens. They waste hours without noticing. Take 2 minutes every morning and ask, what is the most important thing today? What do I need to finish? What kind of person do I want to be today? Clarity in the morning creates confidence all day. Habit 5, do something hard first. This habit changes everything. Do something difficult early. Homework, workout, work project, studying. When you do hard things in the morning, your brain learns, I am disciplined. And when your brain believes that, your confidence grows. Lazy morning leads to lazy day. Strong morning leads to strong day. Your first action sets the tone for everything. You don't need a perfect routine. You just need better mornings. Wake up with intention. Drink water. Move your body. Plan your day. Do something hard first. Do this for 30 days, and your life will not feel the same. Because success is not one big decision. It's what you do every morning.